Hello, dear students. Hope you are fine and taking care of yourself. Before starting, I just want to say to you few words. Let's read them. Before starting, please do like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button, and in comment box write your name, class, section and roll number and your doubt. Let's start the video. Hello students, yesterday we have done about the fuels, and let's continue the topic related to the chapter sources of energy. So today we are going to start about the fossil fuels. So let's see about what are fossil fuels. Fossil fuel, as you are watching, the combustible substances formed from the dead remains of the animals and plants which were buried deep under the surface of the earth over millions of years are called fossil fuel. So as you are watching, combustible substances, mean those substances after, when we are try to burn them, they get burned. Combustible substances formed dead remains of plants and animals, means millions of years ago when plants and animals get died and they are get deep buried under the earth, and over them very different slit layer formations take place. So due to in the absence of oxygen, they are converted into fossil fuels. So major content in them is carbon only. So disadvantages of fossil fuels means when you burn the fossil fuel, what are the disadvantages of these fossil fuels? Burning of fossil fuels causes air pollution. This is the main disadvantage of fossil fuels. Burning of fossil fuel give rise to harmful gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrous dioxide. These are the various oxides which are released into atmosphere when we burn the fossil fuels. And moreover, these are acidic oxides. These gases after reacting, means these gases which we have read here, after reacting with water vapor in air give rise to acid rain. As you know that the rain contain acids inside it is known as acid rain. And moreover, this acid rain decrease the fertility of the soil, it destroys the monuments and other things. So these gases also give rise to greenhouse effect. What is greenhouse effect? Now see it. The warming of the earth's surface due to the trap of heat radiations in atmosphere is called greenhouse effect. This greenhouse effect further leads to global warming. So as you know that these fossil fuels are made up of carbon. When it reacts with the burning process with oxygen, then it release acidic oxide. Further, these acidic oxide when reacts with water vapor, they give rise to acid rain. And moreover, when these oxide are present in atmosphere, they form the greenhouse effect in the atmosphere. So this is all about the use of fossil fuel as a fuel now. Now, other than this, we can use fossil fuel nowadays by improvement in technology to produce the electricity. So let's do that. How we can produce electricity using fossil fuel. So let's study about thermal power plant. Now see, this is thermal power plant. What is the meaning of thermal power plant? A thermal power plant produces electricity by burning of fossil fuel, either coal or oil in a thermal power plant. As you are watching in the diagram, a furnace is there. What you are watching? A furnace is there. Inside the furnace, coal is burnt. When this coal is burnt, mean its chemical energy when it starts burning, it produces chemical energy. So inside this furnace, water reservoir is also there. Because of this coal, this water starts boiling and this water converts into steam. And through an outlet, this water is allowed to fall on a turbine. Turbine blades start rotating due to the high pressure of the steam. And when these blade rotates with very high speed, the shaft of the generator or axle of the generator is connected to this turbine, and this generator converts this mechanical energy into electrical energy, and this electricity is supplied with the help of electric wires, transmitted with the help of electric wire. Let's see again one more time. Coal is burnt, water in the reservoir get heated up and converted into steam. Steam is allowed to fall on the turbine. Blades of the turbine start rotating due to high pressure of the steam, and when it is rotating, shaft of the generator is connected with this axle of the turbine, and this generator also start rotating, and mechanical energy get converted into electrical energy, and this electrical energy is transmitted with the help of electric wires. Now see, what is the energy conversion take place in thermal power plant? So this is the whole procedure which take place in thermal power plant. That is, chemical energy get converted into heat energy. Heat energy get converted into mechanical energy, and mechanical energy is get converted into electrical energy. So this is the heat energy conversion take place inside the thermal power plant. Moreover, these thermal power plants are always set up near the coal fields or oil fields. Why they are situated near to the coal fields or oil field? Because near to the coal fields, coal is easily available. There is a less transportation is very easy near to the coal field. Moreover, transportation of electricity is easy with the help of wire as compared to the transportations of the coal from one place to another. So this is all about for today. Thank you. Bye bye and take care.